we're gonna get straight to the business here, which is drawing this bad boy, the Incredible Hulk, in Joe FIXiT. But before I get to this, what I want to do is talk about my new sticker venture that I'm doing right now. So if anyone's interested, this right here is just a demo with a nice little soft matte look, and then this one right now is in the shop. So if you want to check it out over at buysanchezart.com. I'll put the link there. That way you also can check it out. 8x8. This thing is massive. This is my character, Shen from Copic Markers. So give it a look. And I already stuck a few around the house. But we got some Honestin stickers. We got some sketch stickers. These will come free with the order of this. And so go check it out at the shop. And let's go have some fun with what you came here to see. All right, welcome back. Incredible Hulk. Joe FIXiT. I got an itch the other night to kind of deck out my nice little Hulk section I have up here, which you should be able to see. And I decided to want to illustrate this bad boy, and this thing was selling out pretty fast. So this is what it looks like on the box from Marvel Legends, and it is a beast of a character here. So I just want to do this real quick and show you guys what's up. Let's open this bad boy up. All right, so this is what comes in the package. It came with tons of paper, so I just wanted to get all that noise out of the way. But yeah, you have the headshot here with his hat, which is one of the reasons why I purchased it, because I wanted to draw more hats like this for certain characters. Certain people commission me to do characters that have hats like that, and I'm always fumbling for reference online, so finally got something with that. A nice suit. I have several action figures with suits like Xanatos from Gargoyles. But look at this bad boy. This thing is amazing. I dig it. If you can pick it up, pick it up. So I'm going to be illustrating Mr. FIXiT today, which is a character I rarely illustrate, but the action figure, I'm already in love with the action figure. So once again, I have a Hulk section up there, and it's going to go great with it. Comes with, I believe, a Tommy gun and 2 fists, and we're ready to rock and roll. So what I'm going to do is get a feel for the character and see what I can get out of this inspiration-wise. For the most part, I am going to try to do a sketch page and build it from there. Maybe a little bit of color, just to see how the whole thing comes together. But yeah, this is such a cool character right here. So happy with this purchase. I'm using 110-pound cardstock paper. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it pretty much at Target. Any place that sells paper goods that's of high quality. But for the most part, Walmart. Let's go ahead and get things going over here.